Okay, thank you. Thanks for the response. I'm sharing the screen now. I'll make this down. Okay, fine. So today we shall see the errors in vernier caliper and how to take measurements that we are going to learn today. So vernier calipers, you know what do you mean by vernier caliper? So it is an instrument that can be used to measure distances less than a millimeter. Less than a millimeter. Okay, fine. And up to what accuracy you can measure? Up to 1/10 of a millimeter. 1/10 of a millimeter you can measure using a vernier caliper. Okay. So today we are going to see some descriptions of vernier caliper and measurements. Okay. See. So as you know, this one is the main scale. Okay. And the sliding scale is which is moving on the main scale is called vernier scale. Okay. So backside you can see main scale, this vernier scale. So main scale is calibrated in millimeters. One main scale division is equal to 1 millimeter. One main scale division is equal to 1 millimeter. And you know that one vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 millimeter. Okay. So that is 9 main scale divisions is equated to 10 vernier scale divisions. Okay, 9 main scale divisions is equal to 10 vernier scale divisions. Therefore, 1 vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 millimeter. Okay, and this is the principle. And here you have 3 comparisons. So it is obvious that before measuring any instrument, okay, before measuring using any instrument, even in petrol bank, you can see, suppose if you go to get some petrol, they will ask you to see the zero, okay, zero setting, okay, that is common. So before using an instrument, it is common to set the zero. So only then the measurements will be perfect. If you have a balance, say for example, if you have a digital balance and it shows some amount of reading, say for example, 0, 0, 2, 0, say for example, so much of kilogram. Okay. Suppose if you have some basket and if you want to purchase some amount of apple, okay, the starting reading before putting this basket of apples, it should read 0. It should read 0 kilograms. Only then you will be getting the actual amount of apple you want. Suppose if you want 2 kilogram of apple, you will be getting 2.000 kilogram of apple. But initially it should be 0. Say for example, initially it is at 20. Suppose the vendor measures about 2 kilogram of apple. Actually, you will not get 2 kilogram. This 20 would be already lost. What will you get? You will be getting only 1 kilogram, 980 gram. 1 kilogram and 980 gram before, because so before measuring the weight of the apple, mass of the apple, the reading was showing 20 already. This is called error. Okay, this is called error. Okay, so this kind of errors may also occur in vernier caliper. So try to understand this simply. So here you can see 3 diagrams, A, B, C. One is with no error. Second one is with the positive error. Third one is negative error. I will tell you what is no error. So you have the main scale, you have the vernier scale. What you do is that you move this vernier scale on the main scale, make these 2 jaws, that is lower jaws, to touch each other. These 2 jaws to touch each other. Okay, fine. These 2 jaws now they touch each other. So this is the not position. Now the position is here. The vernier scale is moved here. Okay. So at this position, what is the reading? Suppose 0 of the main scale coincides with 0 of the vernier scale. Okay, 0 of the main scale coincides with 0 of the vernier scale, then it is said to be no error. It is said to be no error. Suppose the 0 of the vernier, as you see here, 0 of the vernier does not coincide with 0 of the main scale. This is main scale, this is vernier scale. So M is main scale, V is vernier scale. Okay. So 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier coincides. The readings will be exact. If you move this right and then you can put some object here, the readings will be perfect. If the 0 of the vernier is not coinciding, then it is having some error. Okay, that error is taken to be positive error, because even before taking the reading, you can see a small value here. Okay, there is a difference between the two zeros, main scale 0 and vernier scale 0. Okay, so this amount of error will be added to the measured value. Okay, just like that apple. Okay, 20 gram was already added. You can get only 1,980 gram only you will be getting if you want to get 2 kilogram. If you measure 2 kilogram, what should you do? You have to remove that. Okay, fine. So this is called a positive error. So even before the measurement, the reading shows some error. This is called a positive. And you can see here also the 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier scale does not coincide. The 0 has moved towards left. Okay, main scale is on the top, vernier scale is on the bottom. 0 of the vernier scale has moved towards the left of main scale 0. Therefore, here also you can see some difference in the measurement. So when two zeros, main scale 0 and vernier scale 0 coincides, when these two jaws are touching, then it is no error. If suppose there is a difference in reading, okay, that is the 0 of the main scale and vernier scale, they do not coincide. So 0 of main scale is here, 0 of vernier scale is here, then they don't coincide. This is an error, positive error. 0 of the main scale is here, 0 of the vernier scale is here. Here also they don't coincide. So only when the 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier scale coincides, they should appear just like a straight line. They have two lines, one line in main scale, one line in vernier scale. They should appear as a single straight line. Then it is called coincidence. That is called no error. Suppose 0 is on the right of main scale 0, it is positive error. 0 of vernier is of left of main scale 0, it is called negative error. Is that clear for everyone? Is that clear? Suppose if you want to calculate some diameter or some length, if the error is positive, you have to minus the value. You have to subtract. So correction, this is called correction. Okay, when the error is positive, correction is negative. When the error is negative, correction is positive. Okay, simple example I will tell you again. So again, you have a digital balance. You want to purchase some amount of apples. Now you want to purchase 3 kilograms of apple. Okay, and the reading shows that 0. Here it shows, say for example, minus 30, minus 0.030 kilogram. Suppose the balance, the digital balance shows minus 0.030 already without putting the basket. Now I put the basket and apple. Okay. Okay, say for example, if the empty basket, empty basket. Okay, suppose the empty basket, when you place, it shows about minus 0.030 kilogram. And I put some apple. I want 3 kilogram of apple. What is the error? It is already negative, like this. Error is negative. If I want 3 kilogram of apple, 3 kilogram is what? How many grams? 3000 grams. I want 3000 grams of apple. Already it shows minus 0.030 kilogram. Therefore, if I want exactly 3 kilogram of apple, I have to add more weight of the apple to balance this. Okay, that is I have to see the reading which reads 3.030 kilogram. Is it understood? So only when the vendor shows you 3.030 kilogram, then it is exactly 3 kilogram of apple. Suppose if he shows only 3.000, then 30 gram of apple is loss for you. Okay, just like that, positive error and negative error are there in vernier calipers. If the error is positive, you have to subtract the value. The error is negative, you have to add the value. To be simply with your normal meter scale, you have the normal plastic scale or other meter scale. Okay, so 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4, 5, etc. 15 centimeter you are having in the scale as in the geometry box. Okay, you want to measure the length of the pencil. Suppose if you want to measure the length of the pencil, okay, and if the zero of the pencil is exactly straight line, or the scale you are using is perfect, you can start from here without any error. Okay, suppose the end shows 12 centimeter, then exactly 12 centimeter. Suppose the scale what you are using is worn out or broken at this point, and you start from 1, that means it is a positive error. If you want to measure from this 1 of your scale because the previous portions are broken or worn out, then if you measure the length of the pencil, that will show 13. That will show 13 centimeter. You have to remove this error, -1, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, this is to understand the positive and negative errors. Okay, now how to calculate using a vernier caliper? As I told you, there are 2 scales. One is main scale, one is vernier scale. So actually we don't have any scale right now. So it would be better understood if you do by yourself to measurements. Okay, so don't worry, next year you will be using these scales in the 10th standard. There you can understand better. For time being, just follow what is, okay? Listen. Now this is the main scale, this is the vernier scale. Okay, so here you have the object. So you have the jaws here. Okay, this is the that lower jaw. Okay, this is the upper jaw. Okay, fine. So here you have kept some object, any cylinder or any pencil you have kept here, and suppose the 0 is here. Okay, 0 is here, and the value of the main scale, please carefully listen, value of the main scale, which is just before the 0 of the vernier, is taken to be the main scale reading. Main scale reading, you can see 0, 1, 1.5, here 2, 2.1, 2.2. The second line is 2.2. Okay, this is 0 of vernier. The value of the main scale, which is just before the 0 of the vernier, is called the main scale reading, which is equal to 2.2 centimeter. And you have to look for the coincidence. So which line of the vernier and which line of the main scale appears to be a single line? You check from here, 0, some point, some line is here, they don't coincide. Second one, 1, they don't coincide. Third one, don't coincide. Here, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, don't coincide. Fourth line, it coincides. Okay, you can see that the fourth line of the vernier and some line in this main scale coincides. Then fifth doesn't coincide, 6, 7, etc. 10, they don't coincide. Okay, therefore, which line coincides with the line of the main scale is taken to be vernier scale coincidence. This is called vernier scale coincidence, VSC, which is equal to 4. And you know that least count of the vernier caliper, okay, value of least count is nothing but the value of one main scale division divided by total number of vernier scale divisions. NIER, vernier scale divisions, which is equal to value of one main scale division is 1 millimeter. Total number of vernier scale division is equal to 10. Therefore, 0.1 millimeter, or in terms of centimeter, it is 0.01 centimeter. Okay, fine. So here, how to calculate this? The reading just before the zero of vernier is taken to be main scale reading. The line which coincides with the main scale, you have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. You have to count. Fourth line coincides. Therefore, fourth line coincides, which is equal to vernier scale coincidence, and correct reading is given. Ashwint, you want to talk anything? Okay. See, correct reading is given by main scale reading plus vernier scale coincidence into least count. So this is the formula to calculate the correct reading. When you use the normal meter scale, you can directly take reading from the scale. But in case of vernier, you have to calculate the main scale reading just like this. Which value is just before the zero of vernier, that is main scale reading. Which line exactly coincides with the main scale, that is vernier scale coincidence. If you multiply with that 0.01, then it is the correction. Okay. Therefore, here 2.2 is the main scale reading, plus vernier scale coincidence is fourth line. Therefore, 4 into least count is 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter, because 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 0.01 centimeter. So because 2.2 is also in centimeter. Now we can calculate the value as 2.2 plus 0.04. Add 2.2 with 0.04. What will I get? 2.24, which is equal to 2.24 centimeter. Now we can compare the reading with the normal scale. Suppose if you used to measure the length of an object using a normal scale, you will be having only millimeter measurements. You can get only up to 2.2 centimeter. You will not get the next value. Okay, you will not get the next value, which is of high accuracy. Okay, 2.2, that's all you can get from normal scale. But in vernier scale, you can get 2.24. Okay, 2.24. That is 1/100th of a centimeter can also be measured. Okay, 1/100th of a centimeter can also be measured using a vernier caliper. Okay, the formula is this: correct reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale coincidence into least count. Okay, for 99.99% of vernier calipers, zero error is taken to be nil. Zero error is taken to be nil. Suppose if you have some zero error, you have to add or subtract the error from this final value, 2.2. Okay, so normally it won't contain any error. Is it clear? So I repeat, you have vernier scale and main scale. When before measurement, you have to close these two jaws. Okay, you have to close these two jaws. If the zero of the vernier and zero of the main scale coincides, no error. When the zero of the vernier is on the right hand side of zero of main scale, it is positive error. Correction is negative. When the zero of the vernier is left of main scale zero, the error is negative, correction is positive. If you want to measure something, you have to keep the object between the jaws of the vernier. Okay, and main scale reading is taken to be the value which is just before the zero of the vernier. Vernier scale correction is taken to be the line which coincides with the main scale reading. And least count is 0.01 centimeter. Okay, that is 1/100th of a centimeter can be calculated. Therefore, if you want correct reading, you have to add main scale reading with the product vernier scale coincidence into least. Okay, fine. So now let us try to solve two numerical problems to understand better. I have taken this from the textbook. Okay, so problem number 1, can you see here? Problem 1, calculate the correct reading. Okay, calculate the correct reading. If the main scale reading is here, look at here, calculate the correct reading. If the main scale reading is 8 centimeter, vernier scale coincidence is equal to 4, and positive zero error is, positive zero error means plus 0.05. Okay, so what you are given? You are given the main scale reading, vernier scale coincidence, zero error. Main scale reading means, so while measuring something, some object is kept here. While measuring something, the main scale, which is just before this zero of vernier, is 8 centimeter. Fourth line of vernier is coinciding with the main scale. Error is taken to be 0.5. That means before taking the measurement, these two jaws are kept closer. At the time the vernier was not zero, it has some error. Suppose the given zero error is positive, you have to correct. That is called zero correction. Zero correction should be negative, minus 0.05. Okay, so I take this sum in another screen. So what are the values? Main scale reading is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, vernier scale coincidence is equal to 4. Zero error is equal to 0.05, that is plus. Okay, so what is the formula for calculating the correct reading? Correct reading using a vernier caliper is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale coincidence into least count, plus or minus zero error. Z is nothing but zero error. The error is given, you have to calculate it. Suppose error is positive, zero correction is equal to negative. Therefore, I should write here ZC instead of error. Okay, zero correction, plus or minus zero correction. If error is positive, correction is negative. Error is negative, correction is positive. Okay, now can you calculate what is the main scale reading? It is 8. You can also write 8.0. Both are same. Okay, plus fourth line of the vernier scale coincides with the one of the main scale divisions. Therefore, 4 vernier scale coincidence into least count. What is least count? Least count is 0.01. 0.01. Okay, which is equal to, one more thing you have to add, zero correction. What is zero correction? Error is positive. That is what is given in the question. Okay, positive zero error is 0.05. Therefore, correction should be what? Correction should be negative. Okay, correction should be negative. Therefore, I can write, instead of plus or minus, I should write minus 0.05, which is equal to 8.0 plus 4 into 0.01, 0.04 minus 0.05. If you add it, 8.00 plus 0.04 is equal to 8.04 is the calculated value, and error has to be applied. Error was positive. You have to subtract this error, minus 0.05. We subtract, what will we get? 8.04 minus 0.05, which will be 14 minus 5, 9. You'll have 9 here. 7 minus 0, 7. Therefore, 7.99 centimeter is the correct value. You can get 1/100th of a centimeter as accuracy. Normal scale will give you 7.9 centimeter. Vernier scale will give you the third digit. Okay, first, second, and third digit. 7.99 centimeter. Again, I tell you the formula for calculating the correct reading is this. Correct reading is equal to main scale reading plus Vernier scale coincidence into least count plus or minus 0 correction. Okay, fine. So this is how we have to calculate the readings. Okay, fine. Okay. So one more thing you have here. So the main scale reading is 8 centimeter. Vernier coincidence 4. Negative 0 error. The same sum. 8 as main scale. 4 as coincidence. Error is negative 0.02. You have to recalculate the correct reading. Suppose the error is given as negative 0.02, correction should be positive. So instead of plus 0.05, they have given minus 0.02. Error is taken to be negative, therefore correction should be positive. Instead of minus 0.05, you have to write plus 0.02. The second sum, okay, 8.04, instead of minus 0.05, you have to add plus 0.02, which is equal to 8.06. 8.06 centimeter is the correct reading of the second sum. Okay, we'll also discuss in the next class these two problems. Okay, I hope you are able to understand the calculation of correct reading using a Vernier calipers. Okay, so you can understand better when you do that in the next year. Okay, so main scale, Vernier scale, that's all. Two scales are there. How to calculate main scale reading? The reading just before the 0 of Vernier. The coincidence, same line. Okay, the line will be appearing as same. That will be the Vernier scale coincidence. You have to multiply it with least count. Is that clear? Are you able to understand? Okay, thank you all.